Hi creators, and welcome to another video. Today we're gonna use Crello to create an animated logo. So you've been on my channel, you'll see I use Canva a lot, but Crello is also a great option if maybe you for some reason just have something against Canva. I don't know, maybe you do. So today I'm gonna show you how to do that with the Crello plan. Now there's some things to note with Crello, so I'll show you some of these things as we go in. As you can see, you can use Crello for free, and there will be a link in my description for you to sign up. So when I log in, I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in with my account. So to note, when you come in, Crello does have this feel of Canva if you've used the software before, but if you haven't, what you're going to see is when you come into one of these softwares, you're going to have a lot of templates that you can work with. And that's great for someone who isn't very design focused or even very creative, but looking for options to do things on your own. Crello is going to provide that for you. So one thing to note that's unlike Canva, Crello gives you a starter, which is free, but you only have 10 downloads. So, you know, if you're going to be using this a lot like I would, maybe this isn't the best option when it comes to using a free software, but it still has its perks. And we're going to go in and see how we're going to make this logo and make it animated. So to start, I'll just type, logo right here in the search. It comes up and we can choose logo or animated logo. So of course we're going with animated. And when you choose that option, again, templates come up. And honestly, if you see something that's already your vibe, related to your business, then start there. I like this one with the buses. It comes with an animated bus. That's pretty cool. I like this. It's kind of glittery. It's kind of pretty. So let's work with a template today. I'm gonna go with this one. It's pulling me. I feel it. I feel like I should choose that. So when you come in, again, these things are something that you can always edit, right? So if you don't like the background color, you're gonna hit the background, then go to fill, and you can change it to whatever color you want. You can put the code that relates to your color scheme. So if you have a brand template of colors, then you are able to use exactly that color here. So you want to change it, make it bright, whatever color you want. What you get from this is that you're able to choose and really make it your own. So a lot of this is like I'm showing you where to get things, but it's really up to you to decide what you want your brand to look like. You can change the text by clicking on the text itself, and over here on text settings you'll get some options. You're able to change your fonts, and they have quite a few here. It's pretty there's a lot of options, and that's great. That's what you want from a software like this, plenty of options. And if you don't like what you see, you can always undo by hitting the undo button. So let's go back as far as we can. There we go. So if you want to see the animated version of this logo, we just hit play. And there you go. It's just moving around. It's pretty. It's great. Let me change by this fill to something bright. Yeah, I like that. And again, we hit play, and that's what you have. Now there's some options that, some tools that you can use, and I'm just going to show you all the tools that I can, so that you can, be as creative as you want. Now, if you want to change transparency, that's an option. Sometimes you don't want your background to be as bright. You're able to change the transparency levels, and that's a great tool to use. There's also the option to flip horizontally, vertically. It's up to you. Over here on your right, you're able to align, which is good when you're working a lot of text, that you can make sure that everything is laid out together. You can lock frames. You can lock content so it doesn't move around when you're doing stuff. So I can lock this that it will never move. I just hit the text, hit lock, and now if I try to move it, it won't do a thing, which is great because sometimes you're hitting layers and they'll move around, and that's just not what you want. So now to focus on the animated side of this. Now this is already animated. If I wanted to add a page here, which I'm going to do, you hit page, hit new page, and now we have something completely blank. Now I just want to show you how I would animate it if it was just me. So I'm going to create a quick crazy logo. Let's just put something here. Let's put an arrow on top, and let's just do something like that. And now I'm going to bring some text over here on your left. You have all the options: templates, photos, videos, music, animations, objects, background, and text. So now I'm going to hit text, and I'm just going to bring some text in. This isn't my best work, and I am not a graphic designer. In fact, if it wasn't for tools like this, I don't know how I would do half my work. So let's put arrows. Dun, 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 dun. Get your arrows from me. Great. I'm just gonna make that white because I don't know, I just want to. So now this is my logo. It's looking a bit crazy, but what we're gonna do is animate this all on our own. So to animate, you hit the item that you want to animate, hit the animate button, and now you have some options on the left. So you can have it zoom in, and let's preview. Okay, that's nice. And I like how everything's so smooth. Now you're able to change direction, so it could go back out. And you're able to change the delay, so how long does it take? So now it's like, okay, a bit. And now it's gonna take forever, right? So now you have some things to play around with it, and that's great. That's a great function to have. So if you choose move in, it moves in. You got that preview. And if it kind of came out quickly. Let's see the other option, dissolve, hit preview, let's see what happens, and it comes in. So what happens is you can do whatever you want. You know, you sit here, take some time and see like, what do you like, what goes with your brand, and really make it you, just make it you. So when you're done and you're happy with what you've done, let's go back to the first one because it's 100 times better than what I made. You're now able to download this in some different ways. Now, because it's animated, it's going to give you the video option, so you can download as an MP4. You can also download it as a GIF. So, you know, like those cute little GIFs that you'll get when you're on social media, you can share it, you can save it like this. It would be a smaller file and easier to share. So again, I'm going to be careful because I only have 10 downloads, but I'm showing you all the ways that you can download your file. So MP4, a GIF, JPEG. So maybe you just want the image, just it on its own. And you don't want it to be animated. That's an option too. You would choose JPEG and then hit download. Now, I would advise if you're going to download it and this is your logo, this is what you're focusing on, remove your background, make that white so that when you download, it's transparent. So now when you hit download, you would choose a PNG file. Sorry, oh, they actually have it here. So you would choose a PNG transparent file, which would just give you just that logo. A lot of times you want to put your logo on something else without having a background. This is the option that you would go with. So I would hit that and hit download. So, but because we're doing the animated version, I'm doing a MP4 and this is what you'll get. So they also give you this option to invite your friend and get 10 extra downloads. I guess that's a good way to keep your free thing going on, where you would share that link with someone. Now, I'm not trying to help out Crello. I'm actually trying to help you out. So if you're looking to get some more extra downloads, that's something that you should probably think about, right? So now it's downloading both pages. Oh, I should have probably selected only one, but that's fine. Let's open. And look at that. Now you got your animated logo. And that's it. Simple, easy to do. I really hope this video helped you out and hopefully I introduced you to a new software maybe. So yep, this is what Crello can do for you. I do ask that if you love my content, please subscribe. It goes a far way in helping me and motivating me to make more videos for creators just like you and people who love marketing and love creating content. I'm here for you and that's what my channel is for. So please subscribe, like, comment, and just show some love. And I never end without saying, thanks for watching.